Everyday Superpower, we talk body language, relationships, game, everything in between, alright? Today I'm going to talk about attraction, seduction, and a powerful tool to utilize. You can find a means of existing with her when you're not there. When you can be present through a trinket, a gift, a smell, a fragrance, a noise, if you can be present in a way whilst you're not there, then that's very powerful. That's very powerful. If you have a particular fragrance you like that you wear, and she asks you for some paperwork, if you were dropping off her friend's hat that her friend left, if you were giving her some carrier bags because she needed some for the shopping and she didn't have any, didn't want to buy none, you can take that fragrance that you applied to yourself and you can spray it on the handle of the carrier bag. You can spray it on the papers. Maybe not to an extent where it's like completely coated and soft and soggy and excessive. And she's thinking, bloody hell. But do it so subtle as to where it just exists within her peripheral. It's not concentrated energy. And she will think about you due to the effect of that association and not know why, but you'll be on her mind. If you have a gift, a little ornament perhaps, that she can place in her house, in her living space, you are now there with her in her living space without even being there. Here's a little gift that I have clearly put some thought into, and if I've not put thought into how magical and wonderful is this, that it correlates with who we are in our relationship. It's not just like, oh, here's a designer vase and I've spent a lot of money on it. No, it's not about spending money, and it's not about buying her love and affection. It's about showcasing the bond you two have, which separates you two from everybody else. So what once was a £2,000 vase that you've bought from a designer store is now a £2 porcelain cat, which signifies the cat you both bonded over when you were walking down the street and it ran out before you, and you realised that you both had this shared love of felines, of cute cats, you know. Not only that, but it's a cat just alike, just happened to be. It was the only one in the store, but it just happens to be like that cat. You say, oh, just popping through a shop, and you know what, this reminded me of you. And she's going to think, how thoughtful, man. Call it tricking, I don't care. Because what you're doing is you're entering her space above and beyond. She could have a boyfriend. And a boyfriend's going to say, what's that? And she's going to say, oh, so-and-so got me that. And he's going to get stressed out, yeah? I hate to go into the realms of this. But this is the way it is, right? He's not gonna know no game. Well, he's gonna know you're running game to some way, but she might not perceive it as such, and he's gonna start to get annoyed. And she's gonna think, why is he threatened about him? And now she's gonna start to question your value and know that you're more valuable than him. Boom. It's dark, but if we understand it, we know not to work in the same way as this guy when people are running game. We can peep game and act accordingly. A little Kieran. Every time I get my keys out now, I'm there. You think about me. That's part of me. Where else can you apply this? You tell me. You know what? I'm just going to give you food for thought on that, but there you go. You can create yourself outside of yourself and apply it in a manner that allows you to stay on her mind, and that's how you create love. I have love for that person because they won't leave my mind. Find a way. Find a way. I'm signing out. I got 2 links down in the description of the video. One is 220 plus videos of how to read people through their subconscious behavior. That's the real game. You click onto that. It's free of charge. It's a YouTube playlist. You'll learn how to read people, read their minds. Second to that is the Patreon, attraction cues, repulsion cues. That's attraction and repulsion body language. We'll watch real life dates. You'll see it manifest around you wherever you live in the world because it's universal. And with that being said, I'm signing out. Click like and subscribe.